up in front. Not a ton of storage, but I feel like a lot of cruise ships have way more storage than you need.
Yeah.
Yeah. I mean, there's plenty of shelves and closet space. This is our balcony stateroom, which is pretty nice. This is a good sized balcony. So this is the view from our balcony. This is totally the way to go, is to have a balcony room on an Alaska cruise. It is absolutely worth it because everywhere you go you have spectacular views of the shore. Even at night you can see, like when you pass by some of the little towns, they're lit up and stuff. You're always very close to shore, so you get an amazing view.
If you enjoyed this video, give us a like. Let us know in the comments what you thought of it, and be sure to subscribe if you aren't a subscriber already to help us grow the channel. Thanks to all of our subscribers, and thanks to you for watching.